Hi guys, it's Bert from Yanamice here. As you've probably seen on Instagram or Snapchat or wherever you follow us on, Yan's away in Dubai. I'm in charge. First car up this week is this thing behind me. It's a Fun Cup car ready for the race series. As you can see, it's got a few knocks. It means we're gonna have to do a bit of work on it. It's going chrome turquoise. The bumper's over there. The panels all pull apart, but you'll see the journey from start to finish. Keep watching. Once again guys, you've seen before in some of the videos that we've done, race car doesn't have a normal key. This one's actually a real easy sequence. Turn the master on, foot down, just like that.
Like me and Nico's gonna have fun on this, especially in Yanni's color. It's chrome.
It's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard, but we get to do whatever we get to do. Don't know how we're gonna do it yet, but we're gonna make it happen.
At the moment, I'm just measuring up the car. The customers have basically given us a render of what they wanted to look like, with some logos, some decals, bits and bobs. We've got this as an image on here. I'm basically going to go around the car, scale it up, make sure all the logos, obviously, when I cut them out, are exactly how the customer wants it, pretty much. So the stuff that's on the car at the moment, all the stickers and things, are going to come off and we're replacing them.
So me and Brandon are just holding up the back end of the bodywork just so Pav can undo the loom, and then we can get it off and start stripping it down as much as possible, make it as easy as possible for the wrappers. It's going to be a hard one, definitely going to be a hard one for them.
We just laid the first panel on this one. It's a little bit hard, yeah, because we got to be careful on the repair job on this one. We done some amazing repair on this one, so we got to be careful. When we stick some vinyl, the paint's gonna come off. Okay, let's do on the other side, let's see what's gonna happen.
So as you can see, this back end is all one panel. Some of the cars, it's like there's one rear quarter, one bumpers, one boot lid, but this one all one. So apparently me and Nico planning to make joints on these ones. Like here, maybe here. It's gonna be a lot of joints because it's very round. Vinyl is not wide enough. So yeah, me and Nico's gonna deal with it. Hi guys, this is the last panel of we're gonna do in this car. Me and Nico is gonna take us half a day on this one, but hopefully we can make it. But you guys will see in 5 seconds.
No, 10 seconds. What about Kiran? You just said Nico and Mark.
So Kira's with us, but you'll see him for like 5 seconds and then you'll see me and Nico for 10 seconds.
Right, so it's time to fit back the Beetle shell. And the best bit about it is obviously because it's a race car, the majority of it is held on with either rivets or cable ties. So yeah, it shouldn't be too bad to fit back together.
I'm with Jonathan from Typerium. How you doing?
Nice to meet you, Jan.
You will. First of all, what do you think?
Absolutely love it. Really, really happy with it. Been a lot of planning and we've messed around with a few colours, but this is absolutely perfect. And to see it in the flesh is amazing.
Why did you choose this colour?
Because we saw your car. As soon as we saw your car, we were just like, wow, we've got to do it in that colour.
Listen, obviously I've got my car here today as well, so we've got them next to each other. It does look great. So this is like a Beetle shell, isn't it? It's
a Fun Cup car. It's a space frame chassis with like a Beetle shape put on top of it.
It looks like Herbie to me.
It looks like a Beetle with a big wing on the back, but yeah, it's a race car. It's not a road car, obviously.
I'm an ambassador for Razor Sunshine. Yeah. Explain to me what you guys said you would do if we can get people to...
We can get people to sign up for the pre-sale. We'll donate £25,000 to Razor Sunshine if we meet the minimum funding goal, which is what we've got set, which we will do, I think.
When they sign up, does it cost money to sign up?
No.
Okay, so it's free to sign up, guys. So obviously, you can sign up. If we can raise £25,000 for Razor Sunshine, you know what that charity is about. So you've gone with a fantastic colour, and you're obviously trying to get this out there. Where can people see this car? Is it going to be advertised anywhere? Is it going to be on TV?
So it's going to do a full season of Fun Cup, 2018 season, and I believe that some of the races are televised on Sky, so you'll be able to see it on TV or just pop along to the races.
There you go. Make sure you guys stay tuned, and all the details will be in the description below. Jonathan, I hope you like the car. I'm really pleased with it.
Yeah. It's amazing.
Good luck to your two guys when they're racing it around the track.
Thank you.
And try not to put it into a wall.
Will do.
Take care.
Thank you, mate.
Cheers, pal. So hi guys, I'm freshly back from Dubai. I've literally just landed. The first thing I've done is brought my chrome turquoise Lamborghini in. Why have I brought it in straight away? Because I've got that next to me. The sun is shining. That is the Beetle. That is the Typerium Beetle. But I've been away all week. This is the first time I've actually seen it. It looks fantastic. Obviously it works on a Lambo. That is a race car. You're gonna see that on a track, and we're gonna try and get some pictures on the track as well. I think it looks great. It was a very, very difficult car to wrap. Nico Mark really, really struggled. It wasn't as smooth as that. As you can see, you've got massive, massive wings. The bonnet was weird, the rear quarters, the side skirts. But for me, I think it looks great, and both of them together, even better. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you share, subscribe, and like, and I'll see you soon.